Hey, it's Clone18 here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a website hosted from your computer. It's quite simple, and here's what you need. You'll need a WAMP server, which stands for Windows, Apache, MySQL, and PHP server. An HTML editor, Notepad will work, don't worry. And a router with port forwarding, or you can be really ghetto and use Hamachi, I guess, but that'd be retarded. Okay, starting off, just open up your web browser. We're going to search for WAMP server. And it should be the first link. Install PHP 5 Apache MySQL. It should look like this basically. You're going to go to downloads. You're going to hit download WAMP server and then whatever version it is. With a directed to SourceForge where you can download it. Save it or run it, I guess, if you want. Okay, so now we're gonna run it. Run it. And set up. Next. Accept the agreement. Oh, go ahead and read the agreement because it's just necessary to do. And then I recommend CWAMP or CHTT docs. Not HTTP docs, never mind. CWAMP or C web server or C something. You don't really need that. Install it. Okay, and Firefox didn't take on your computer. I would say yes. Okay, now you really don't need this. Just leave it that way unless you know what to do with it. I do, but it's a little bit more advanced. Okay, launch it now. You see it down here in the taskbar. It should say server offline. Hold on. Okay, now we're gonna forward our ports. You gotta just open up your browser, and you may have to look on a site like port forwarding. I know how to do it with my router. But if you don't, go here, find a router that's yours or similar to yours, and it should be pretty easy. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and get mine because I know what it is. Oops. I'm going to enter the password. Okay, yours should probably be completely different than this. Maybe it's the same, who knows. You go to port forwarding or security port forwarding or something like that. Let me move this. Okay. Let me set up as HTTP. Wait. Choose predefined services. Okay. And now you're going to want to go to start, CMD, which opens up the command prompt, and then IP config. And then you want to look for the IPv4 address, or in case you're advanced and want to use IPv6, whatever. And so I see that the extension is 11, so I'm going to put that down here. And this is meant for a static IP, by the way. Probably should have said that at first. If you have a dynamic IP, you could do it the same way. You just need to go to no IP and use their service. Now that's settled. You want to restart your WAMP server. Okay, there was an error with mine. It was Skype. Skype causes tons of problems. It does not like Skype. You can run Skype after you start your server, but not before. So let me close this out fast. Okay. Now we're going to restart it. Okay, it's completely ready now, but the server's still offline. We're going to put it online now. Okay, it's starting up again. Okay, it's completely online. You can tell that because it's white completely, and there's no lock symbol. So now we're going to view our site. Basic, like the basic part of our site. Through the IP. Just going to ipchicken.com. Copy that. Paste it. And there we go. There's our site. It's nowhere near done. Anyone has access to PHP. Oh wait, never mind. Okay, cool. Let's skip that now. And there you go. To get to PHPMyAdmin, go through here, and then Firefox. Okay, here's PHPMyAdmin. You won't need this unless you're going to use PHP, but it is really helpful. Anyone that says that you should use the MySQL command prompt over PHPMyAdmin in most cases is retarded, unless you're importing a 1 GB database, for instance. Okay, and here's our site. To get to our site, we just want to open up the documents and go to local computer C. Then go to WAMP, and then all of your web accessible docs are in www. And here's your index.php. Just delete that. We don't really need it. And now you're going to want to make your web page. To do this, right click, new, text document. Okay, you're going to want to rename it to index.html. Okay. And here it is. There's nothing there at all. It's just a blank page. And now we're just going to make it say, hey, my web server's online, yay. And then you can go look at a web tutorial or a website tutorial to get more. So we're going to get a right click. We're going to click edit. Oops, not print, edit. Oh god. Scratch that, right click, open with Notepad. Okay, so here's our thing, and so we're just going to start it up. I'm going to change the font. And since this is an HD video, you should be able to see it even if I make it pretty small. But I'm going to make it that big. HTML, and then you want to do head. Make sure you use the tags. Title. Basically the title just defines what you see up at the very top right here. The very top of your web browser on tabs. And we're going to set that my first web page. And then we're going to end the head. Start the body. And we're just going to do div. Well, no, we're not going to do h1 align equals center. I'm just saying the words, not the equals quotations, center quotations, so you can just see on the screen. My first web page. H1 P means paragraph, by the way. H1 equals header 1, which is the biggest header. Then in the body, make sure you end the P over here. Here's your text, and into HTML, and then there you go. Now just close and save, and you go to your website. Yay! Go to your website, or go to your file, and then directory, and there you go. Here's your webpage. Yay! Happy, happy, happy. Okay. Now, I'm going to make another tutorial later on, I don't know when, about how to apply a domain to your IP. And that'll come later, so thanks for watching. Goodbye. Axe rocks here.